Land supply options walkthrough. Sites for transport and public utilities. Hong Kong has excellent transportation networks, with roads, railways, and stations that reach out in all directions. It is suggested that we can take advantages of some main transportation infrastructure for topside housing developments, so as to allow coexistence of both transportation and housing developments in multi-dimension. In fact, the government has all along pursuing topside developments of transportation infrastructure facilities. For instance, several large-scale residential developments were built on top of railway stations and depots. The residential development above Yau Tong Ventilation Building is also underway, and over 14,000 residential units are being planned atop the existing Siu Ho Wan depot in the medium and long term. However, there will be huge challenges to plan a topside development on an as-built public transport interchange facilities, because BC highways impose significant constraints on planning, design, and construction. Issues like land use compatibility, visual impact, air ventilation, environmental and traffic implications, etc. should also be considered, not to mention consultations with the local community. On the contrary, if the proposed topside development can be planned and designed upfront together with the transportation facilities at the initial stage, the two functions could be smoothly integrated while minimizing many complicated interface issues. Such comprehensive planning could provide more rooms for the development of housing, open space, and community facilities. Other than roads, there are lots of public utilities provided all around Hong Kong to serve the general public. Normally, upon the expiry of public facility site, the government will review whether the site would still be required for the current use according to the established mechanism. It will also examine the redevelopment potential if appropriate. Sites granted to the telecommunications operators for construction of telephone exchange is an example, but these sites are normally small in size, with only two relatively bigger ones in metro area. Telecommunication development advances in lightning speed. The government is reviewing if these telephone exchange sites are needed for its original use, and whether they could be used for other purposes. Optimizing the space of transportation infrastructure and public utility facility sites enable more effective use of existing land in urban area. But they are not without challenges. Do we support further exploration of the ideas? Check out www.landforhongkong.hk and share your opinions.